Yes. Exercise. Screen is shared. Exercise 15.2, question number 5. Each jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and other are blue. Total number of marbles. Total number of marbles, that is 24. Let out of 24 marbles, some are green and other are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is a green is 2/3. Find the number of blue ball in the blue marble in the jar. Let number of green marbles. How many?
2/3.
Let number of, that is probability of green marble 2/3. I am just asking to you how many green marbles. Let how many green marbles? X. We are considering that number of green marbles are X. Total number of marbles is 24. Out of which X are green marbles. Now please tell me number of blue marbles will be.
3 minus 6.
Yes.
24 minus 6.
Yes. Very good. Now number of blue marbles will be. 24 minus X. 24 minus X. Now probability of green marble is 2/3. Probability of green marble B. Of a green marble. That is X by 24. According to questions. Now, probability of green marble is X by 24 and probability of green marble is 2/3. 2/3 given. Probability of green marble is X by 24 and probability of green marble, that is 2/3 given. Any doubt, any problems? Now 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 16, 3 8 are 24, 3 8s are 24, 3 8s are 24. Now X is equal to 8 2s are 16, 16 8 2s are 16, 16 are the green marbles. 16 are green marbles. Now we have to find out the number of blue marbles. Therefore, number of green marbles 16 and number of blue marbles 24 minus X. 24 minus 16. That is 8.
8.
That is 8. Any doubt? Any problems? Any problems?
No, sir. No, sir.
Kassis is there. Kassis. Kassis is there. Kassis, are you present in the class? Pragati. Now, have you any doubt, any problem in this chapter?
No, sir.
No problems. Now, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7. Are you done? Have you completed this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Explain the related question.
Yes.
Number of weeks in a leap and the number of weeks in a normal year.
Number of weeks.
In leap year and number of weeks in normal year.
Okay. 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 Sundays. 53 Sundays in an ordinary year. You have to find out the probability. Find the probability of 53 Sundays in an ordinary year. 53 Sundays in an ordinary year. How many days in an ordinary year?
365.
One ordinary year
3.
is equal to 365 days. Now 53 Sundays, and Sunday comes after 1 week. Sundays come after 1 week. So first of all we will convert the days into weeks. So ask any doubt?
Sir.
Okay. Now in one week there are 7 days. In 1 week there are 7 days. We have to convert 365 days in a week. In a week. How can we convert?
365 by 7.
365 divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 40. Your 52 Sundays are completed, but 1 day left. 53 in 53rd Sunday, 53rd weeks, 1 day left. 52 Sundays completed. Sundays completed,
Yes.
but 1 day left. 1 day left. Out of 7 days, how many Sundays will come? Yeah, 1 day left. 1 day left can be.
Sir,
1 day left can be. मंडे जो लेफ्ट है वो क्या हो सकता है आपका? मंडे हो सकता है, संडे हो सकता है, मंडे हो सकता है, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे. हाँ, 1 day left. 1 day left can be. 1 day left can be Sunday, Monday,
So why can it be Sunday? When
one day can be, one day जो रिमेनिंग वो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना,
कैन भी any day हो सकता है।
But Sunday क्या कर सकते हैं? 52 Sundays are completed and then one day is falling. Then outcome it can be Sunday.
या आपको क्या पता है इसमें कौन सा डे आएगा? कंफर्म है संडे आएगा? संडे तो हमें लिखा हुआ है कि संडे वहां पे।
No sir, it is not.
या कशिश नंबर ऑफ टोटल आउटकम विल बी, टोटल केस कैन बी, दैट इज नॉट फिक्स संडे ही आएगा वो जो वन डे लेफ्ट है। भाई आप क्या कर रहे हो, डिवाइड कर रहे हो, तो थर्ड डे भी आ सकता है, वेडनेसडे भी आ सकता है, थर्सडे भी आ सकता है, फ्राइडे भी आ सकता है।
Just asking that how come it can be one more Sunday? The one day left can be Monday till Wednesday,
Yes.
Thursday, Friday,
Yes.
Saturday. But
Okay,
not
okay.
Sunday.
यस, लिसन टू मी। अगर हम यहाँ पे संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे नहीं लिखेंगे तो हमारे पास आउटकम 7 कैसे आएगा? आउटकम तो टोटल 7 है ना, 7 आउटकम में से वन डे जो है वो संडे है, तो 1/7 इसलिए आया है कि टोटल नंबर और जो आउटकम है वो 7 है। संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, आउट ऑफ 7 डे 1 डे इज संडे, दैट इज 1/7, क्वालिटी विल बी 1/7, इसीलिए क्या है हमने उस 7 किया है नीचे। ओके, यस, संडे, मंडे, यस, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे,
All are equally right.
वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, यस, probability of 53 Sundays in an ordinary year, that is 1/7। वन डे जो लेफ्ट उसका क्या होगा? 52 Sundays has been completed।
मेरे को वन वीक का ही निकालना होगा probability, because बाकी सारे तो कंफर्म है।
52 Sundays has been completed। Yes, any doubt in probability?
No sir. No sir.
Okay, now I am starting chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. After that I will start chapter number 8, trigonometry. After that chapter number 12, areas related to circle, and last one is triangle, chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 is the language chapter.
After 8 chapters, we will start with the application of trigonometry.
No, in second term.
Oh.
Application of trigonometry in second term. Chapter number 9, application of trigonometry, I will start after completion of first term syllabus. Chapter by related syllabus. First I will complete the first term syllabus. After that I will start the second term syllabus. Okay, chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, it is a Cartesian plane. Cartesian या XY plane, Listen, that is your horizontal line. This is your vertical line. X dash, Y dash, and this is your origin. Two perpendicular lines intersect at a point. Two perpendicular lines intersect at a point. That point is called origin. Origin. Your horizontal line is called x-axis. Your vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. OX is positive x-axis. OX is positive x-axis. That is positive x-axis. Positive x-axis.
Sir, we can also write O plus positive x, and instead of writing this, we can write positive quadrant.
No quadrant. I'm just discussing with the axis, only axis. Now students, please tell me that x dash, negative x-axis, and this is your positive y-axis. OY is positive y-axis. OY dash is negative y-axis. This is your O, origin. Now student, that is your OX 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is your -1, -2, -3, -4. That is your 1, 2, 3, 4. That is your -1, -2, -3. Now I am talking about the coordinate. I am taking a point, just one, just such as. That is your A point. What will be the coordinate of point A? Please tell me.
2, 3.
2, 3.
2, 3.
Yes. First we will take the x coordinate. First we will take the x coordinate. After that we will take the y coordinate. Your x coordinate is called abscissa. Your y coordinate is called ordinate. X coordinate is abscissa. Y coordinate
Is ordinate.
is ordinate. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes. Come to the point. One sentence is all school to college. All school to college. School to college. All school to college. That is your first. All school to college. I will discuss in trigonometry. This portion I will discuss in trigonometry. Okay, left it. No required. I will discuss later on in trigonometry.
Actually, all school to college होता क्या मतलब definition?
Just one second. All school to college means in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios will be positive. In second quadrant sin theta, cosec theta, and tan means tan theta, cos theta, third quadrant,
Yes.
and in fourth quadrant cos theta, sec theta. Yeah, trigonometry I will discuss later on. Yes.
Specific angles lie in definite coordinates.
Yes, student, listen to me. In first quadrant, it is your first quadrant, it is your second quadrant, it is your third quadrant, and it is your fourth quadrant. We are dividing a Cartesian plane into 4 quadrants. How many quadrants? Quadrants. Quadrants means fourth part. Quadrants. How many quadrants? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In first quadrant, x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. Any doubt, any problems?
No.
Yes, I am taking a point just as such as this is your point. This is your point, B point. Please tell me the coordinate of this point.
Sir, minus 2.
Minus 2 plus 1. Yes, it means your x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Yes. Yes, in third quadrant, I am taking a point just as such as that is your this point. Please tell me the coordinate of this point.
Minus 4, minus 3.
Minus 4, minus 3. It means x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is also negative. Yeah, I am taking a point in fourth quadrant that does such as this is your point. Please tell me.
X minus
5 minus 2.
Minus 5 minus 2. Student, please tell me that
Sir, positive 5.
plus 5. Okay. Yes. That is 5 minus 2.
Yes, sir.
5 minus 2. Now please tell me that what is the distance of this point? ये पॉइंट है आपका, ये पॉइंट क्या है x एक्सिस से कितनी यूनिट की डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है ये पॉइंट? प्लीज टेल मी. x एक्सिस से
2 units, sir.
x एक्सिस फ्रॉम x एक्सिस 2 यूनिट्स.
From x
2
axis.
units.
जो y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है वो x एक्सिस से 2 यूनिट्स डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है. एंड दिस point from x axis. What is the distance of this point from x axis? Y axis. 5 units. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay. अब ये यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि जो पॉइंट है वो x एक्सिस से 5 यूनिट की डिस्टेंस पे. पॉइंट इज क्लियर और नॉट?
Sir, X is real.
y एक्सिस से ये पॉइंट जो है वो कितनी डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है? 5 यूनिट. कंफर्म? और ये पॉइंट क्या है? x एक्सिस से 2 यूनिट डिस्टेंस के ऊपर है. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Please tell me the coordinate of this point. Please tell me the coordinate of this point.
2 0 sir.
Confirm?
Confirm, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
In which quadrant this point lie?
Could you please repeat where we 2 0 like please repeat the question what you said.
Yeah, I am asking that what is the coordinate of this point? What is the coordinate of this point?
Yes, sir, 2 0.
2 0. Yes. In which quadrant this point lie?
First.
Fourth. Correct.
The lies on x-axis, not lies on y-axis.
Yes.
Answer.
X axis is any quadrant.
So only on the x-axis.
X axis. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. And this point does not lie in any quadrant. It is lie on x axis. X axis or positive x axis. Both are same. No problems. This point lie on x axis. And this point lie on, what is the coordinate of this point?
0 minus 2.
0 minus 2.
0 minus 2.
0 minus 2.
Yes.
First their answer
Yes, yes. Yes. Listen, students.
It is on the y
Okay, just wait. In coordinate geometry, chapter number 7, I will just ask in the question that a point lie on x-axis. A point lie on x-axis. अगर एक पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे लाई कर रहा है तो उसके अंदर मैं वहां पे मेंशन करूंगा कि वहां पे मेरे पास x कोऑर्डिनेट है, y कोऑर्डिनेट 0. Am I right or wrong?
Right, sir. So we can take
यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आने वाला है एक्सरसाइज 7.1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के आसपास है. 8 है 7.1 में क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के आसपास है. पॉइंट ऑन एक्स एक्सिस इज इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम पॉइंट दिस एंड दिस. 7th question number 7. I will just ask to you that in the question that if a point on x axis means x coordinate is given, y coordinate will be 0. Okay, and in on y axis x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be given. On y axis x coordinate will be given, abscissa will be 0, x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be given. This point is clear or not?
yes, sir.
Yes, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
This point is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now any doubt, any problem up to here? समझ में आ रहा है? यहाँ तक समझ में आया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन हौच पौच हो गया.
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है सब कुछ?
It's like the whole
Yes.
chapter has
ये सिर्फ जो मैंने समझाया है, ये जो समझाया है मैंने 9th क्लास का समझाया है. These point from 9th class concept.
Yes, sir.
ये 9th क्लास कंसेप्ट है, इसलिए मैंने क्या है आपको पीछे से टॉपिक उठाकर यहाँ लेके आया हूँ समझाने के लिए. ठीक है, कनेक्ट किया आपको. Now I am starting class 10 chapter number 7 distance formula. Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you any doubt, any problem? May I raise it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Distance formula. Yes. And it is your Cartesian plane. x dash y. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it compulsory that we have to take means equal distance, like in every axis we have to take points same like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and another also will 8. इन सारे में 8 अगर ऐसे compulsory है क्या सभी सेम है?
सभी में सेम लेना।
मतलब तो जो डिस्टेंस है जो वो सेम होना चाहिए।
किसमें?
Sir, my question is that like in suppose in x-axis we have taken point till 7 and then in y-axis we have taken point till 5 and in another x-axis we have taken point till 2. So should be okay that we are taking different intervals and these so points will be deducted mark.
Different point, it depends the quadrants. It will depend on the questions. No, every point can say, in each and every question there will be no same points. Different points lie in different quadrants.
सर मैं सेम पॉइंट्स की बात नहीं मतलब सब में मतलब वो इक्वल रहना चाहिए ना अगर हम किसी में 8 दे रहे
सर
तो
शी इज आस्किंग कि हमने अगर x एक्सिस पे 7 तक ड्रॉ किया है ग्राफ तो हमें y एक्सिस पे भी उतना ही ड्रॉ करना है।
हाँ बिल्कुल सेम, कोई नहीं, सेम पॉइंट ले सकते हो। अगर आपने listen, ये अब हमारे डिपेंड कर रहा है कि जो हमारी टेबल है उसमें जो x के जो पॉइंट है वो कितनी और y के पॉइंट कितने, आप कम अधिक कर सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है ना, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन आपने ऐसा नहीं करना है कि आपने जैसे मान लो x कोऑर्डिनेट पे 1 2 3 4 5 ले रहे हो, y कोऑर्डिनेट पे 2 4 6 ऐसे ले रहे हो, नहीं, आपने x कोऑर्डिनेट को स्टार्ट किया है 1 2 3 4 5 से स्टार्ट किया है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट पे भी क्या है 1 2 3 4 5 होना चाहिए। अगर आपने x कोऑर्डिनेट पे 2 4 6 8 किया है तो y कोऑर्डिनेट पे भी इंटरवल 2 4 6 8 होना चाहिए। हाँ पॉइंट्स क्या है कम अधिक हो सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम्स, ठीक है, लेकिन जो टेबल है जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो क्या है कार्टेशियन प्लेन में वो पॉइंट होने चाहिए। ओके
ओके
ओके, नाउ वी विल टेक ए पॉइंट दैट इज योर P and coordinate of P is x1 y1 and this is your second point P, x2 and y2. Join the point P and Q. We have to find out the distance between two point P and Q. Is it clear or not? I am taking a point P whose coordinate is x1 y1 and there is second point Q whose coordinate is x2 y2. Any problem? I am taking 2 points and coordinate of point P is x1 y1 and coordinate of point Q is x2 y2. Just draw perpendicular from P on x-axis. That is your M point. Now draw perpendicular from Q on x-axis. That is your N point. Now draw perpendicular from P on QN. Perpendicular. That is your O point. That is your O point. Okay? Any doubt? Any problem?
Yes sir.
Yes?
सर
Yes, Pythagoras. Yes, it is a right angle triangle. POQ is a right angle triangle.
So actually
Yes.
we find it by Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, Pythagoras theorem.
Like PQ.
Listen student, listen to me. Just listen. ये P पॉइंट है. इस पॉइंट ये पॉइंट जो है x एक्सिस से पॉइंट की डिस्टेंस कितनी है? व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम x एक्सिस? y एक्सिस, y एक्सिस.
From one.
Y
X1.
x1, y axis से x1, and from x axis this point distance is
Y1.
y1. Any doubt? If this is y1, this is also y1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now come to the point on Q. What is the distance of point Q from origin? From x
X2.
x2. x2.
x2
Yes. And this point distance from
Y
x
is
axis
Y2.
y2.
so y2
Yes.
y2
This is your y2. This is your y2. This distance is your y2.
Sir, Q is equal to Y2
And this distance is your y1. So what is the distance? ये distance क्या हो गया आपके पास? बताना मेरे को.
Y2 minus Y1.
Okay, very good.
Y2
y2 minus y2.
Answer उसकी होगी x2 minus x1.
Yes. This distance क्या है? Complete कितनी है? ये आपके पास क्या है? x2 है. ये distance कितनी है? x1 है. ये distance कितनी है? x2 minus x1.
Sir, we will subtract the bigger distance and then.
This is your x2 minus x1. Yes. This is your y2 minus y1. This is your x2 minus x1. Now in right angle triangle POQ. In right angle triangle POQ.
Using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square.
According to Pythagoras theorem, we go to that. According to Pythagoras theorem. We get. What is your Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is that.
Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
What is your hypotenuse?
pq
PQ, sir.
PQ square. PQ square. What is your perpendicular?
Y1. OQ.
Yes.
OQ.
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 OQ. OQ square. And what is your base square?
OP square.
OP square. Can we write such as PQ square, OP square plus OQ square? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now
Sir,
what is OP?
but OP
Minus X1.
x2 minus x1
x1 whole square.
What is OQ?
Y2 minus
y2 minus y1
Now taking square root on both sides we get PQ square root all x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
That is your distance formula. That is your distance formula. Distance formula to find the distance between 2 point P and Q. That is distance formula.
And sir, we have also done the derivation too.
Yes, distance formula. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
no sir
Do it fast. Do it fast.
Done, sir.
Tada.
Okay. Are you done?
Sir.
Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Point is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, properties of triangles. First is your scaling triangle. Scaling triangle. This is your triangles
All sides are different.
A, B, C. In which AB not equal to BC, not equal to CA. Any doubt? Any problems? Second one is isosceles
Okay,
triangle.
Miss Paul, Alibuna.
Isosceles triangle. Iso means two. Isosceles triangles.
Whose two sides are same.
Any two sides can be equals. Any two sides can be equal. First is one is your either AB is equal to BC, either BC is equal to CA, either CA is equal to CA is equal to AB. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Now your next one is third one is equilateral triangles.
So please scroll up.
One second.
So please scroll and read.
One second. One equilateral triangles.
Whose all
Equi
sides are equal.
means all angles and all sides are equals. Equilateral triangles.
Answer is the word equiangular comes then means all angles are equal.
AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All sides are equal. That is equilateral triangle.